The end of another week. Welcome to MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Let's start with our very first story. Now, Stonebwoy has marked his debut on the Billboard US Afrobeat Songs chart. His song titled Life and Money featuring Stormzy entered the chart at an impressive position of number 47. The track is the lead song on Stonebwoy's 2023 album, Fifth Dimension. This accomplishment follows a few months after his album secured the 8th spot on the Billboard World Reggae Album chart. This feat was achieved shortly after the album's release, and congratulations to him. Moving on, we have Ghanaian singer Sister Efia, who is shedding light on why she thinks the females in the Ghanaian music industry are not at par with their male colleagues. She put her thoughts out in a series of tweets, so let's read them. Let's see what she has to say. She says, I get asked a lot why the Ghana female industry isn't a big success compared to the men. This is my take. I think naturally women in general are very emotional beings, including myself. It will take time, but eventually I hope one day we will all come together to make this possible. In my opinion, we as women face a lot of obstacles in our career and corporate environments, and the achievements of hard-fought success are attitude toward other women is, I figured it out, you should too. In our industry, the female sector, when a woman is rising above other women start talking a little behind their backs, which is a norm in our country, but it shouldn't be. A rise of a woman should be a win to all. Our mentality is sickening. We hardly support each other, and the people see that. No unity whatsoever. It's written all over our space, and that's sad. I found that men engage in substantially more self-promotion than women. For example, 45 male artists can feature on a song, but we hardly do that. I'm a victim, and I know most of y'all are, but it's killing our industry. Please, any female reading this, let's do better. I know we all can win one day. But we have to start from somewhere. It's not always who is this one sleeping with, who is this one sponsor, this girl, that. It's killing us. Too much talk and the politics no day here. And that is from Sister Efia. Let us know what you think. But moving on, Afrobeat stars have been nominated for the very first time ever in the 2023 MTV Video Music Awards, set to take place on 12 September. The scheme primarily celebrates outstanding musical accomplishments by American creatives, but over the years it has expanded to welcome musicians from other territories, hence the introduction of the Best Afrobeat Song category. The category is actually now dominated by Nigerians. We have Ira Star with Rush, Burna Boy with It's Plenty, Davido featuring Musa Keys with Unavailable, Fireboy, DML and Ashake with Bandana, Rema and Selena Gomez with Calm Down, and Wizkid with Too Sugar. Cameroonian singer Libyanka also earned a nod for her track People. And then also Rema's Calm Down has also been shortlisted for both Best Collaboration and Song of the Year. And to be honest, congratulations to everybody. But I think this year is really for Rema. Now to our last story. The nominees for the 2023 edition of the prestigious African Music Magazine Awards have been announced, and 15 Ghanaians have been recognized across multiple categories. Black Sherif and Kim Promise lead the pack with 3 nominations each, while Amare has received 2 nominations, and the others have secured 1 nomination each. Let's go through, the Ghanaian nominations. We have Best Male West Africa, that's Blacko representing, and Kim Promise as well. For Best Female West Africa, we have Jackie from Ghana and Amare. For Best Newcomer, if you look down we have Last Smith from Ghana, and this is big for him, so congratulations to him. For Best Gospel, we have PSCA Esther representing our country. We have Best Female Rap Act, we have Enno Baroni representing us, and also Feli Nuna, so congratulations to the two of them. For Best Male Rap Act, we have Blacko from Ghana, and it's caused a bit of controversy over there because people don't know whether Blacko is actually a rapper. But moving to album of the year, we have Amare's Fountain Baby and Stonebwoy's Fifth Dimension, right? For best collaboration, we have Kim Promise in there. So the last but one, Joshua Baraka featuring Joe Boy, Kim Promise, and Bien with Nana remix. For Song of the Year, we have Kim Promise with Terminator. And then we have him again for the previous one, Joshua Baraka featuring Joe Boy, Kim Promise, and Bien Nana remix. For Best Video Director from Ghana, we have Bab's Direction. That's Blacko's Video Director. Moving on, for Best DJ Africa, we have DJ Faculty representing Ghana. For Best African DJ USA, we have DJ Ekia from Ghana. Video of the Year, we have Blacko representing #1 with Konongo Zongo. Yes, and then we have the one Kim Promise is featured in there as well. Music Producer of the Year is MOG Beats. Yes, MOG Beats from Ghana. African Dancer, we have our very own dance god, Lloyd, in the end. Oh, Hooli Boy from Ghana as well. Best Reggae and Dancehall. This was actually very shocking to me. Shatta Wale, because we've not really heard from him in a while. So, yeah, this was surprising to me. But Radio TV Personnel of the Year, if you look down the last name, we have Kwame Sefakai over there representing us. And yes, I guess that's about it for us. Congratulations to everyone, and I'm so happy and I'm so excited. 15 nominations, and it spans across almost all the categories. Congratulations to us, and please, you guys, vote for your favorite. Vote for us so that it's not just nominations. We're actually coming home with the awards. But that's about it for MX Breakz. With me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything entertainment, lifestyle. We've got you here at MX24. So give us a follow on all our social media platforms. Again, it's at MX24GH. I'm out.